Hi friends, I'm Mishika and today we will learn modules in Python. So what are modules? Okay, now in a file we have a code or a function or a program written in it. So we can run or use that in our another file. But how? First, let's learn about two types of modules, built-in module and user-defined module. Built-in module are those that are already there in the Python. We don't have to make it. Like OS is already there in the Python. And user-defined module are those that use a mix. Like my calculator is the one that I'm gonna make in this video. So let's start. First we will open our First we will install Visual Studio Code in our laptop. Then we will open a new folder and then we will do right click. Now we will see this box, so we will write open with code. We will click on open with code and your Visual Studio Code will be appear on your screen. It may take some time. Okay, now we will make a new file. So click over here and you will have to write a new name for your file like my calculator. Don't forget to write .py after your file's name or else it will not run your file. Then press the enter key on your keyboard. Now we have to make a code or anything function or a program. Like I'm writing a code of add. So def add and then I'm writing any two variables like x and y colon. Then I'll write return x plus y. Now we will save it. Control plus S. You have to or else it will not run your program. Then you have to make one more new file. Name it as modules or name anything that you want to and write .py. Enter. Press enter key. Now we will write import and then we have to write the file name that you want to use or run like my calculator. Sorry, spelling is wrong. My calculator. Okay, now you have to press enter key. Then you have to write print write the file's name my calculator dot. Now I want to add, so I'll write that add. Then we have to write any two numbers that you want to add like 50 and let's say 20. Now let's run and see. Okay, 70. So it has plus it. Now if you want, you can also make a function of subtract. So def subtract and I'm taking the same variables. Return value should come as, sorry, I forgot to put colon. Then return x plus y. Okay, next save it. I told you what, if you will not save what will happen. Now here I am writing subtract. I want to subtract these numbers. Now let's run and see. Look, 70. Okay, something has happened. Okay, let's change the numbers. I don't want this. Okay, let's say 20 and 3. Take this. Okay, so 23. Okay, it is plussing it. Why? Because print my calculator dot subtract. Over here, subtract. Here we have written x plus y. Here x minus y. Sorry, it was my mistake. We have to write x minus y or else it will plus. Now let's run and see. 17. Look, so I said it will subtract or add. Now this was an example of user defined module. Now what about built-in module? Okay, so let's say import OS. Now if I want to print all the files that are in my C colon, like over here OSC colon, these all, if I want to print all these files, how will I do? For that we have to write print os dot list directory directory. Then in brackets we will write in colons C colon then slash slash. Okay, now let's run and see. See, all my files have been printed over here. Recycle bin, then win reagent. Okay, now so we have learned about modules, what are built-in modules, and what are user defined modules. So this was my today's video. Hope you liked. If you liked, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to see my more videos. For now, bye bye, and see you next time. Bye.